This is my ESP32 calculator. It has this little 4-digit display and a buzzer connected to it. It is also controlled with Bluetooth. Before I start giving the calculator numbers, I'm going to turn the lights off because it's hard to see the answers on camera with the little display. To use the calculator, I send it numbers through this terminal, like 56 divided by 4. 14. It can also do other operations too, like 23 plus 2. 25. That's correct. Let's try 42 minus 3. 39. Correct. Let's try some multiplication. 23 times 2. 46. That is correct. The calculator does have some limits to what you can do. Try to divide by 0. Get answers larger than 9,999. If you get a number that's smaller than negative 999. Any of those rules, and it yells at you. Watch this. It also has an added feature where it hates the number 67, like everyone should. Type any number that's equal to 67, like 66 plus 1, it gets angry. And starts sending you roasts. If you would like to try to build this thing yourself, I'm going to have code in the description. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on any new experiments and fun projects. Oh, stop beeping, stop beeping.